learners, and welcome to another episode of Grammar Friday with Mrs. Baker. Today we are going to study commas. So when do we use commas? Okay, well, we use a comma between the name of a city and a state. For example, I live in Rapid City, South Dakota. Number 2, use a comma between the day and the year in the date. So for example, today is December 18th, 2020. You put a comma after the date and between the year. You also use a comma with the greeting in a friendly letter. For example, Dear Mrs. Baker. You also use a comma at the end of the friendly letter when you say love or sincerely. After your closing, you use a comma. You also use a comma when adding dialogue to your writing. Okay. For example, it says, Mom said, clean your room. The comma is after the phrase Mom said. You also use a comma when making a list of 3 or more things. For example, I need to get gloves, a coat, a hat, and boots. When you list things more than 3, then you use a comma in between those items. You also use a comma before and but or when it joins simple sentences to form a compound sentence. Use a comma to separate 2 or more subjects found in a compound subject. Use a comma to separate 2 or more predicates in a compound predicate, and after the dependent clause to start at the start of a new sentence. Okay, so for example, it says, after the bell rang, Liz, Jack, and Chris left, but I remained. Okay, commas tell us to take a little bit of a pause, to take a breath when we are reading. So when you see a comma, it tells you to just take a little breath, not to completely stop. That's what a period does, or ending mark punctuation, but it tells us to take a little bit of a breath. Okay, all right, so now it is your turn. Today, please rewrite the following sentences and put commas in the correct places. Take a picture of your work and upload it into Kickstand. The first sentence says, the residents of Smith, Carolina wanted a town flag. Okay, so rewrite that sentence and put commas where needed. Number 2, I submitted 6 drawings, but none of them were chosen. Rewrite the sentence and put commas in the correct spots. Thanks for learning with me today.